Hi, it's Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a South African cake or a pudding, but it's very good. It is called as Malva pudding. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. For this recipe, we need 190 grams of milk, 200 grams of brown sugar, 3 grams of salt, 15 grams of oil, 15 grams of apple cider vinegar, 15 grams of butter, 45 grams of apricot jam. Give a quick mix. Combine well. On a low heat, warm the mix and set it aside. Turn off the heat. Add quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. On a bowl, 150 gram of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda. Combine well and set it aside. Let's beat the egg. We need 2 eggs onto a bowl. Beat it until it is fluffy. If it's runny, you have to beat it again and make sure it is stiff. Pour the wet mix on top of the flour. Whisk it. Combine well. Rub butter on the baking sheet. Add just half only the whipped eggs. Fold it gently. Add the rest half on top of the batter. Fold it gently and combine well. The batter is ready. Pour onto the baking tray. Preheat the oven at 340 degree Fahrenheit. Place the cake in the oven. Cook for 40 minutes. We can make the sauce. We need 100 grams of water, 200 grams of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar. All onto a bowl, mix well. On a low heat, bring to boil. The cake is getting ready now. Remove it from the oven. Using a fork, make holes in the cake while it is hot. Pour the sauce on top of the cake. Using a spoon, spread the sauce on top of again. You can see all the sauce is already soaked into the cake. You can cut into small pieces or using a spoon, enjoy it. The pudding or cake we made, it's so good. It was so tempting, so it's all ready, but it's just melts at your mouth. Wow. Oof. Very good tempting flavor. Make sure
you try it and enjoy and eat. And show your support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.